Bandsaw Blade Guide for Angle Iron, for beginner buyers. When selecting a bandsaw blade for cutting angle iron, keep these 3 points in mind. First, good chip removal ability. Second, moderate tooth form to handle varying cross-sections. Third, sufficient durability. For common angle iron, such as Q235 or Q345 carbon/low alloy steel, bimetal bandsaw blades are the most versatile and cost-effective choice. During cutting, the blade contacts both thick and thin sections simultaneously. Using a constant pitch blade can cause vibration on thinner parts, leading to tooth chipping, reduced blade life, and poor cut quality. Variable pitch blades, with irregular tooth spacing, effectively reduce and disperse cutting vibrations, making them ideal for cutting profiles, tubes, structural materials, and bundled stock. Pay attention to the leg thickness of the angle iron. Under 10 mm, use 4/6 or 5/8 TPI. 10 mm 25 mm, use 3/4 or 2/3 TPI. Over 25 mm, use 2/3 or 1.4/2 TPI, coarse pitch, variable tooth. Simply put, thicker material equals larger pitch, fewer teeth. Thinner material equals smaller pitch, more teeth. For tooth type, most manufacturers prefer anti-load teeth, which offer better tracking and resistance to deflection. Some shops prioritizing speed may choose sharp positive tooth blades for higher cutting rates. But these wear faster and require more frequent replacement. We generally recommend anti-load blades, but the final choice depends on your specific needs. Click the profile icon on the right to message me for a detailed solution. Thanks for watching. See you next time.